I find the benefits of the Rototilt are fantastic. They're obviously very cost effective when it comes to paying labour. They're very safe when it comes to handling the trees, and we find that we can keep our machines very productive. My name is John Cooper. I run a company, John Cooper Recycling. It's a land clearance business, basically clearing trees and vegetation for future development sites, for house building and road building. We use the Rototilt brand on 2 excavators, one JCB Hydrodig and one a Hyundai. Our first Rototilt is an R4 and we've run that for 2 years, and we have just invested in a second Rototilt, an R3, which is on the Hydrodig. We use the machine for assisting felling the trees. We use the machine for picking the branches up, feeding our wood chipper, which is an expensive piece of equipment, and we find that the Rototilt keeps an efficient flow of timber going towards the wood chipper. And it's also very safe, obviously, around the employees than using a swinging grapple. As a company, we've operated tilt rotators for about 8 years now. Rototilt for the last 2 years, so obviously we've used other brands. We do find that Rototilt is built a lot stronger than other brands, and the electrics are very simple. And we just find the controls obviously very simple to use as well. It just works well for us, and hopefully if we do purchase any more machines, it will have a Rototilt on it. This particular R3 Rototilt will work with an excavator mulcher. It works with a tree shear, it works with a grapple, and it works with a standard bucket. When we first started doing trees 15 years ago, we used a fixed grapple, and that was that. And then we moved on to the tilt rotators about 8 years ago. To give you a comparison, I think the tilt rotator probably increases our wood chip capacity by about 3-fold on a daily basis. So that gives us an extra income stream of £1,000 a day. So more than pays for itself. We've worked with Rototilt UK for 2 years now. Obviously the R4 was our first machine. We have had fantastic service. Sometimes they have been out on site within an hour. I think in 2 years we've only had 4 breakdowns from a machine that works every single day on the R4 system. I'm sure that speaks for itself, really. If you're fortunate enough to be able to spend enough money on a brand new machine, a brand new Rototilt, well, fantastic, you know. But I can certainly recommend them as a time-saving device, but I think the difficult bit really is you've got to be able to spend the money to operate it, to be able to realise the benefits of it. If I had a choice, I would buy a second-hand excavator and leave enough money in the pot to buy a Rototilt instead of buying a new excavator with no Rototilt. I think that would be more of a productive system to start with.